Good morning, class.
Good morning.
My name is Teacher David, and I'll be taking you through physics today. Can I know your names, please? Starting from you.
I'm Esther.
Esther.
I'm Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Naomi.
Naomi.
Mercy.
Mercy.
Ruth.
And Ruth. Alright, we shall be meeting this time each week on Tuesdays. So I'll be expecting to see you. We're going to study about heat transfer. The objective of the lesson today the first one will be define one heat, B temperature, and I think the second one would be modes of heat transfer. And I think the applications of heat transfer in industrial setup. By defining what it is. What do you understand by the term heat? Anyone? Ruth?
It's a form of energy.
It is a form of energy. You're correct. Any other contradicting answer, addition? Okay. From what I know, heat is thermal energy. Heat is thermal energy. What is temperature? Yes, Naomi?
The hotness or coldness of a substance.
Yes, temperature is the measure. Is the measure of hotness or coldness. Hotness or coldness of a substance. So now you can head to the topic of today, which is heat transfer. Can Mercy tell us what is heat transfer?
Heat transfer is the transfer of heat energy from one source to another.
Heat transfer is the transfer of thermal energy from one body to another. Okay. And from there we shall head to modes of heat transfer. We have 3 modes. And I think you have encountered them in your day-to-day life experiences. Can you tell me any 3 modes of heat transfer that you know? Yes, Emmanuel?
Conduction.
First, we have conduction. Second, yes, Naomi.
Radiation.
We have radiation. The last one? Yes.
The convection.
We have convection. You have encountered this form of energy transfer, and can somebody elaborate what is conduction, or what do you understand by the term conduction? Yes, Emmanuel.
It is the transfer of heat through solids.
Transfer of heat, it happens through
Solids.
solids. Right. Radiation.
Transfer of energy through vacuum.
Is the transfer of thermal energy through a vacuum. Convection. Yes, Naomi.
Transfer of heat through fluids.
It's through fluids. And with the term fluids, I think we understand it's liquids
And gases.
and gases. I'm going to give you examples of these modes of heat transfer. The first one, through conduction. I can say you can experience conduction through, let's say, you're taking coffee and you're adding sugar into your coffee and you're stirring with the spoon. After a short while, what do you notice on the spoon that you are stirring the coffee with?
It becomes hot.
It becomes hot
Warm.
or warm. It's warm and then hot.
Yeah.
That is a form of conduction. That is conduction happening. The spoon conducts heat from the liquid and then transports it through the spoon itself until it reaches your hand. Okay.
Yes.
Another example of heat transfer, it's basking on the sun. Heat waves travel through space and reaches the Earth's surface through radiation. The Earth's space is a vacuum. Do you understand that, or do you get that? It's a vacuum. So the heat travels from the sun to the Earth's surface through radiation, and we have convection. Convection, I can give you a good example of boiling water. Boiling water. When water is heated, I can draw an illustration of that. We have, this is the source of heat. And then this is water boiling. Heat is transferred to the material carrying the water through conduction first. Then the material hits the water. The water at the bottom is heated first and becomes lighter, while that at the top is more heavier or dense, heavier than the one below. So the one below will start moving upwards, and the one at the top will start moving downwards. That process is called convection. And these are the convection currents that we see. Now, you have to go to the applications of heat transfer. And I want you guys to discuss among you and give me any two applications of each mode of heat transfer within 2 minutes, please.
Conduction ni kama vile hiyo ni conduction.
We have
I've seen Naomi talking. What have you discussed with your friends?
For conduction, you can apply it when heating substances to be tested in the lab. Yes.
Heating substances in the lab. Yes. Yes, Emmanuel.
For radiation, it is used for dry.
You can use radiation for dry.
For dry.
Convection.
Convection is used for boiling liquids in order to measure their different boiling liquids.
Yeah, boiling liquids. Okay, I can give a very valid example in convection. It's used in the production of steam, in the production of energy through steam engines. They use steam to produce energy. You know. Now, I think for today we'll have to finish at this point. When we meet next, we'll go to the laboratory. We will conduct this form of heat transfers, conduction, radiation, and convection. And I want you to go and research on the applications of heat transfer in industrial setup. Make short notes and submit them to your class rep and then bring them to me. Okay? Okay. Any question? Or any concern or any burning issue?
Addition on the convection.
Or convection, yes.
Using purification.
Yeah, can you elaborate on it?
Using in purifications of substances. Like when you want to remove the waste or whatever poison from the substance, use convection.
I've never heard of that, but I'll go and look into it and address that in our next lesson, okay? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Don't forget to do your assignment on time. You need it before tomorrow evening. Alright?
Yes.
Let's meet next week. Same time, same place. Adios.